Alright, I'm going to take 5 minutes and tell you how to set yourself up for a good morning. So I struggle with mornings, and so I try to set everything up the night before. And it takes a lot of work sometimes to get yourself in order or get my butt out the door in the morning or just get out of bed. So if I'm running late, if things are ready to go, it makes a huge difference. And if you're perpetually late or unorganized or forgetting stuff, or you just need to have a better morning and easier time of things, then it's great to get organized the night before. So last night, I got my coffee maker ready. I figured out that I have an appointment. I have to get up early for. I don't like it. So I made sure I got my water bottle ready to go. My coffee thing is ready here to run out the door with, and when I make coffee, you know, my house is set up that in the morning I have my sugar and spoons right there, and I make a shake because a lot of people are in a hurry in the morning. They make a shake for breakfast. My stomach is not always great in the morning, so I can sip on it. I can make it warm or hot like my coffee, you know, get that cuddly, warm, hot chocolatey feeling. If I'm running late, in the cupboard here, I've got them ready to go. Just grab and go, right? So then you're not starving, marvin, and hungry and cranky and got that hangry thing going on. Or if you're got a commute, I've got an hour drive today, so it's nice to have the coffee or the shake along, and that will help me not feel so crappy. Water helps hydrate you, but it helps not have the headaches. I had my pineapple juice in the fridge ready to go, and that can go right in my purse, which is right here. I just brought it down, put it here. My water bottle can hook onto there or be set inside of it for the car ride. I've got my keys all hooked on there. I don't have to go searching for my keys. My sunglasses are here. I know that I have my health card and the paperwork and my parking pass and my insurance forms and everything that I need for at the hospital today for those couple of appointments. I got my timers on my little watch here and on my phone telling me what time I gotta get going, how much time I have. I figured out exactly how much time I'd need so that I'd make sure I got my decent sleep. So I went to bed on time last night, because that makes a big difference. You know, my phone, if I had forgotten to charge it, I have a charger right here that I can, you know, do while I have my coffee, and I have a charger in my car. So if I need it, I've got it. You know, I can set it on silent here if I'm heading off to church to make sure that I don't interrupt the service. But today they like to have, and I like to have things along. My phone just sits right inside here. If it don't, you know, I'm going to do errands after, so that makes a big difference to multitask and get a bunch of things done. I'm smart enough that I have, it's cold out, and I just have a car starter. I have to hit the unlock first, because otherwise the car alarm goes off. So the car can be warming up while I make my coffee to go. I don't like mornings, so why make them any harder than they have to be? There's some garbage. It's easy to function and do what I gotta do. I got it in a pretty container, so that spark joy thing. I'm probably not supposed to have my back to the camera here. I eat a lot of sugar. Yeah, it's bad for me. Make a lot of noise. That's not great for me either. But everything's close by, ready to go. You know, if you want snacks along, have them ready to go in a container. what's better for you. Then you know, if you got kids along, make sure you got those snacks and drinks and all those extras. Make sure you, another thing I do, which a lot of people have to take medications. I'm gonna just set this, make sure it doesn't leak. Yeah, perfect. That's another thing that can go in this big purse. It's fantastic. My boots are right here. My coat is right there. My scarf is right there. It's all ready to go. So that I can just do that last minute stuff as the car is warming up, and out I go. It's fantastic. Yeah. But the one thing I was gonna say, a lot of people take medications. So I set them up in this little, I don't know if you can see it, let's see. I set them up ahead of time. Dark is for night, lighter color is for mornings. If I'm in a hurry and I didn't have time to grab it, I can just put the lid on and take it along with me, throw it in my purse. Then I don't forget to take those medications that are really important and make a big difference. Excuse me. I try not to have too much on my countertop because then it's trying to find everything I need. I have my list of medications already in my purse. I have my lipstick here. I don't wear a lot of makeup, so this is on my way out the door. I have allergies and that redness around here, so you know, sometimes that lipstick makes it counterbalance and makes me feel a little bit better. Yeah, I try to make sure I have things ready ahead of time. I had my clothing ready in a basket in the bathroom last night, and my jewelry sitting on the countertop that I'm gonna wear. I'm not wearing a lot because I'm gonna wear a scarf. Keep me warm and the fuzzies. I've got everything close to the door, ready to go, that I know I'd run around and need last minute. And you can do that for your kids and yourself. It makes it a whole lot easier in the morning to get going and to just be organized and make sure you try to get where you gotta be. I'm perpetually late. I've got IBS issues, headache issues, every issue, blah, blah, blah. But being disorganized just makes it 10 times worse. So even if you would have been on time, you have to go look for those keys. Well, just make sure you got them figured out, ready to go. You know, you want to have your coffee in the morning and have an easy morning, then having everything organized and thought out the night before, your mind's not racing and you forget something and you're just starting your day all angry and frustrated. And you know, I come into church or places with a flourish of activity and all this attention, and everybody who's quiet and shy kind of doesn't want to be around me. And I kind of get embarrassed going, yeah, sorry, I'm really noisy and I'm just happy that I made it on time, or just I'm late and, you know, I don't really want the attention and I'm not trying to be disrespectful. But that's me in my life. So if I can get organized a little bit beforehand and make life a little easier, and my day starts out a little better, and even if I'm having health issues or having a rough day, then I've set myself up for an easier time whenever I could think ahead and plan. So give this a try, see if it works for you. I forgot to mention that this is just 2020, hey, where we get your shit together, and I'm working on getting my shit together and sharing what works for me. Join me on my other platforms. If this is too long-winded for you, or if you just want, on my blog, I do post things that I don't always make videos about. If you want to see my progress from where I've been with my messy house to where I've gotten to be now, I'm posting stuff on there, pictures and explanations of the emotions, the thought processes, the clutter, the good habits, that I've learned, the bad habits that I need to work on or have changed, because it's all related. You know, if you're set up in the morning and you're ready to go, it helps you have a easier start. You're faster, you're better on time, you're more relaxed, you have a better attitude. If you're always rushing and feeling like everything's stressing you out, you're in 100 directions, you can't really focus, you can't get work done, you're not productive, you're not efficient, you're not getting things done, your attitude is frustrated and cranky and it comes out with everybody else, you're not having a great day, a good life. It's all connected. So every step that you can take to make a better day, make your life easier, is one step closer to that life you want. And it doesn't have to be a big deal. It can be 5-10 minutes of just getting your shit together and getting ready for what's coming up, or finishing up those loose ends when you have time. So tomorrow I'm going to have a video about kind of, I guess, how these just days started, and I'm going to do a morning of getting my house clean, doing some of the personal self-care that needs to get done on a regular basis that maybe we don't always finish up or give ourselves time for, and cleaning habits that are easier and faster, and just a whole bunch of things that help you get ready for a good week ahead. Starting Monday, and that scheduling and planning, those are important things. So get your shit together, get things organized the night before, figure out what you need, have it ready to go, so that in the morning you can get ready with ease, or if you wake up late or are running late, then you can hurry up, grab that stuff, and run out the door on time and still make your day a good day. So have a great day. I'm off to see the doctor. Yay me. Woot.